everybody, Tawna Eubanks here. I am taking you through my upper body day. I'm right now training 4 days a week, so I rotate between one upper body day, one lower body day, and then finishing out the rest of the week like that. So I have a lot of rest and recovery days, but that means that I am working full force on those training days. So I got my pre-cage, let's go do it. I have done an incline chest press, I've done weighted chin-ups, and I'm doing side laterals right now. So I've done a little bit of the upper chest with front delt, some back, and now I'm headed over to the side delt. And then I'm gonna do some rear delts in a second. So I'm hitting all parts of the shoulder right now and a little bit of upper chest. It's kind of like a total upper body right now in my program, just because I'm only doing 2 upper body days and 2 lower body days. So you kind of do a little bit of everything. But it's really awesome because I can make the most out of these workouts, and I'm pushing so much harder during these workouts that I have more rest and recovery days. So right now, while I'm trying to really focus on building my strength back up, also resting and recovering a lot longer too. So right now I am doing a arm movement with the easy bar curl, and I am doing 21s. Now with 21s, you can do this with really any movement. It's just the amount of reps that you're doing. Today I'm doing it with easy bar curls. You're gonna be doing sets of 7 in each range of motion. So I'm starting down at the bottom and coming partially up. So I'm gonna do 7 reps there, then immediately go from the top and partially go down, and I'm doing 7 reps there. Then I'm gonna do full range of motion, 7 reps there. So 7, 3, 21s. All right, that wraps up today's upper body workout. The pump was real, everything was real. Upper body is one of my favorite movements to do. Shoulders are probably my most favorite, but today was a really good one. I love getting in the biceps and triceps as well. So hope you enjoy this full upper body workout. Remember, not every exercise or workout has to be complete body split. If you are getting in good movements, good reps, good sets, then you're having a good workout. I will see you next time. KM athlete, Tawna Eubanks.